Hey, everybody. Welcome to JudinGroup's lab. Today, we're going to see how lethal our trimmer lines can be when faced with straw. Firstly, our staff carefully placed the straw post in the test machine's mounting position. The straw post is made from a tightly packed bundle of high-quality straw to ensure that it will provide accurate data during the test. The crew carefully aligns the mounting points to ensure that the straw post is securely fixed to the machine. Through this professional installation, we are able to simulate a real-life usage environment to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the test results. Next, we look at how to install the trimmer line. Our crew starts by getting the mower ready and then removes our red square trimmer line. This trimmer line is made of high-strength material with excellent abrasion resistance and cutting performance. The crew inserts the ends of the trimmer line into the line holes of the mower, making sure that the line is securely fastened. The length of the trimmer line is then adjusted to ensure it cuts into the straw post, and the test can begin. Now, we're going to test the trimmer line on cutting straw poles to see how long they last. The trimmer line is spinning at high speeds, and the straw poles simply can't take it. It's just too easy for our trimmer line. Our trimmer line cut a 5 cm gap with ease, which wasn't exactly a challenge.
JudinGroup, your plastic monofilament specialist.